Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here we have a class 1, okay, and we got the get a and show a, and we got the here the different way of declaring the uh, objects. One is that you have the class 1 and you say class 1 type O object, for example, and you get rid of the object, or you can create a class 1 type asterisk ptr pointer, and then you can say ptr equals ampersand of ob object address of the object in the pointer. Then you can access this get data or get a this show get a and show a, or even the a, because a is in a public, using arrow operator, ptr arrow, like this, ptr arrow, something like that, arrow show a or ptr arrow a, simply. Okay, another way of creating the object is using pointer only. So we say one type asterisk ptr, then you have to use new, okay, and the constructor one, and let's say one, new one. Okay, new is a keyword which gives a memory. This one creates a pointer of type 1, and this creates a memory of type 1, and here I'm creating two array of pointers now. Okay, so ptr points to the array of objects of type 1. Now I can say that one arrow ptr2, I declared another pointer, for example ptr, put that ptr into ptr second, and then I say ptr2 arrow get a and ptr2 arrow show a. So it will get a and show a, but I want to go to the next because there are two array, so I go ptr plus plus, and the ptr will point to the second object, right, in the memory. So I can say ptr2 arrow 56, ptr2 arrow show a. Here I'm assigned directly 56 because a is in public. And then if we do ptr is basically the previous one which points to the first, right? If you say show a, it will give you the first assignment, that is maybe 34. Okay, this is one thing. Now if we have the how to deal with the derived class objects, which I want to show here, is we have the class, let me call it class base. This is my base class, and let's have a class derived, and which is public base. Okay, and in this I will get something like, in the public I will say may have int d and void get d, d is equal something like 45, and then I say void show d. Cout d. Okay, now what I'm doing is I would like to create a simple pointer variable of type base class, base type b1 as an object, right? And I create a base type pointer, base asterisk ptr. This is the base type pointer. Okay, now I drop into the ptr ampersand b1. Okay, now a simple thing is you have this time the base pointer, so you can access with the b1 whatever is in the base class, like a and get a and show a. If I say b1 arrow get a, it will have no complaints whatsoever, and then I say b1 dot show a, no problem. If I give it a go, There's some problem. What's the problem? b1 arrow get a, oh dot, I said should be arrow show a. Still some problem. Because I'm saying b1, because b1 is a simple object to b1 dot get a and b1 dot show a. But if I say arrow, I have to use ptr this time, not b1. I have to use ptr as you could see. The answer is here. Now well, the next thing is we can put the address of the base class, derived class, into the base pointer. Remember that derived classes are compatible with the base pointer. हालांकि क्लास derived का लेकिन pointer base का, हम उसको डाल सकते हैं एड्रेस derived क्लास का भी. यानी कि अगर मुझे derived क्लास का ऑब्जेक्ट है कोई, मुझे derived का ऑब्जेक्ट है d1, मैं ptr जो कि बेस पॉइंटर है उसमें डाल सकता हूँ एड्रेस d1 का. ठीक है, क्यों? क्योंकि जो डिराइव्ड क्लास है ये बच्चा है बेस क्लास का, इनहेरिटेंस की हुई है. लेकिन एक बात याद रखने की है कि जो अब ये ptr है ये डायरेक्टली एक्सेस नहीं कर सकता जैसे यहाँ पे d है, यानी कि जो डिराइव्ड क्लास के चीज़ें हैं, बल्कि ये उन चीज़ों को एक्सेस करता है जो वरासत में आई हैं इसको ऊपर से, बेस क्लास से. यानी कि उसको आई है ऊपर से, ये a आया है, ये गेट a आया है, ये शो a आया है. सो इट कैन एक्सेस the things of the what is called as a base class, जो base class से नीचे आई है वो चीज़ें. like I can say simply this thing again, ptr get a, ptr show a. चूँकि इसमें इस वक्त जो एड्रेस है ये किसका है? ये डिराइव्ड क्लास का, यानी कि ये चीज़ें होंगी डिराइव्ड क्लास की. ठीक है, so whatever, it's 34 again because we assigned 34 to it, right? okay. अच्छा, अब मसला ये है कि अगर हम चाहते हैं कि ना हम एक्सेस करें डी को, जैसे यहाँ पे गेट डी है, गेट डी हमारे पास है यहाँ पे, और शो डी है. अगर मैं कहूँगा पी टी आर एरो गेट डी, ठीक है, एंड पी टी आर एरो शो डी, सो ये ठीक नहीं रहेगा क्योंकि ptr जो है वो बेस पॉइंटर है और उसमें हमने यकीनन डाला है एड्रेस को डिराइव्ड का, लेकिन वो एक्सेस नहीं कर सकता डिराइव्ड क्लास की चीज़ों को. ठीक है, क्योंकि ptr खुद बेस पॉइंटर है. इसलिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, मुझे इसको यहाँ पे टाइप कास्ट करना पड़ेगा कि भैया तू पहले इसको बेस, टेम्पोरली बेस पॉइंटर बना, सॉरी डिराइव्ड ऑब्जेक्ट बना. आई विल टाइप कास्ट इट टू द डिराइव्ड पॉइंटर. So okay, now I will access the things. It should not have any problem. Let me see what is the problem. Let me see what's the problem. I think we need to put oral appearances here. पहले इसको बनाने का फिर ये करने का. ठीक है, now you can access it. So if you want to access the using the yeah no هذا رزبان. You can access the base pointer, you can access the derived objects, and say derived object like get d and show d using the base pointer, but you have to typecast it. Okay, that's all for today.